Halo semuanya, ketemu lagi di Mitra Channel. Di video ini aku akan membagikan preset keren di tahun 2022 ini. Contoh presetnya seperti ini. Kalau kalian merasa kurang pas jika diterapkan di foto kalian bisa atur lagi di bagian cahaya seperti bayangan, kontras, maupun highlight, dan di bagian warna seperti warna merah. Kalian bisa atur lagi di bagian kejenuhan maupun luminans serta warna oranye yang biasanya digunakan untuk mengatur kecerahan warna kulit kita. Untuk kata sandi presetnya berupa kartu rekomendasi yang ada di pojok kanan atas dan aku sudah menempatkannya di tengah-tengah video. Jadi kalian harus menonton video ini tanpa di skip-skip. Supaya hemat waktu, kalian bisa aktifkan fitur 2 kali dipercepat yang sudah disediakan di aplikasi YouTube itu sendiri.
Crime, fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be.
Oke, untuk rumus dan tutorial presetnya silahkan simak video ini sampai selesai dan selamat menonton. Jangan lupa bantu support channel aku ini ya guys.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.